Hey yo, what is going on YouTube? We are back with another banger video. Ooh, it sounds so good. Go forward a little bit. Oh, that's really clean. We got the tire fixed, and then yeah, boy. We had a nail in the tire, so here you go. It was repaired because we have the protection for the tire, so we're all good on that. Okay, so rainy POV, my tune, it's just disconnected. Oh man, we finna slide to Poland. Oh shit. Yo, I need new tires, bro. We still have a little bit of thread, but it's so fun sliding though. We're gonna hop in the SCAT real quick. This thing is loud. Okay. We are in it. Let's go. We're finna go get gas real quick, and I'm gonna explain to you guys what's going on and the noise. You can hear the noise I'm talking about. I'll see if you can hear it. If not, I'll put like a footage of somebody else that has recorded that clip. I don't really drive this car in the rain, but I think it should be fun. Let's see if you can. I don't know. I'm trying to listen to it. If it comes on, I shouldn't have got on it, because usually it's just when you let it go. Y'all probably won't hear it, man, because of the rain. Oh shoot, there's a puddle. Oh. I'm gonna get on it right here. Let's see. It's in normal right now. I'm not gonna put her in sport because this thing is gonna start going crazy. Let me get over this bump. Who's this idiot on my ass, bro? Get off me, dickhead. Suck my dick, stupid. Stupid. If I knew how to drift, guys, I would hit it right now, right here. But I don't. I'm finna lose it, and I'm gonna whack some, what is that, beamer? I'm gonna whack the beamer. The beamer is gonna hit that damn pole. The pole's gonna go down, signal's gonna go out, and then it's gonna be hella. Look at the gas price. I love it. It's so much better. I'm gonna pump it up. You already know. Huh? Dude, when you guys get gas, put it on the low setting. Let it pump slow. Let the people wait. No, I'm just playing. I heard that if you let it pump slow, it's supposed to get rid of the fumes, right? So it's supposed to be better. In the army, you can get anything you want. I'm just playing. Army doesn't pay for anything. There you go. I already had like half of this, so. All right, we are on a full tank. Let's go. I'm gonna see if you guys can hear the noise. But if not, then oh well. Oh my God. Since you guys already saw the noise of the clip I put on there, let me know if y'all know what it could be, because I have no idea what it is. Yay! Oh my God. This is not even in sport, you guys. It does not stick. I mean, obviously, because it's raining, but this car doesn't stick even when it's not. Oh my God, that sucks. That is so bad. Okay, let's do 4th gear. 3rd gear is not really sticking. 4th is good. Somebody teach me how to drift. Oh my God. What the I hate it. That's scary, yo. That is scary. Oh my God. I need to chill. I need to chill out. Oh my God. Oh, yo, you can hear it. Alright, hold on. I think that's one. I think that's just the belt. Oh, this thing is blowing. It's blowing heat. It's hit. You'll be able to hear it right now. I don't know if you can hear it. From standing here, I can hear it. But that little the shuddering noise, I don't know where that's coming from, but it needs to go. It's like a little heater right here. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. But hey, that was end of the video. It was like really short, quick video. Comment below, let me know what's wrong with the car, because I don't even know what's wrong with it. But don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned, and peace out.